This meeting has no end. We talk, 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 and nothing happens.
I know. Every week, same thing.
Today is different. I have a plan.
A plan? What plan?
Watch me. Okay, team, let's start. What is the goal of this meeting?
Uh, Good question.
We have 30 minutes. Let's focus. One topic only.
One topic, but we have many problems.
Yes, but today, only one. Which problem is most important?
The client report. It is late.
Good. Who is responsible for the report?
I am.
What do you need to finish it?
I need the numbers from Tom.
Okay. Tom, can you send the numbers today? He says yes. Perfect. Mary, when can you finish the report?
Tomorrow morning.
Great. So Mary finishes the report tomorrow. Tom sends the numbers today. That's it. Meeting is done.
Wait, that's it?
That's it.
In 10 minutes?
Yes. Short meeting, clear plan, done.
I can't believe it.
Most meetings are too long because there is no goal.
You're right. No goal, no end.
Next time, always start with one question. What is the goal?
One question. That's the secret?
Yes, simple, right?
Very simple and very useful.
Now we have 20 minutes back. Coffee?
Yes, best meeting ever.